Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to make homemade cream cheese wontons. They're a lot simpler than you think. There's only about 4 ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, real quick, here are the ingredients. We have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We have about a 1/4 cup of diced up green onion. We have about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we have these wonton wrappers. And the other thing you're going to need is some Pam. We're going to spray a muffin tin. That's where these are going to go in. So let's get started on putting them together. So we're going to dump in our ingredients. Minced garlic will go in. Our green onion. And we're just going to give this a stir. Smells amazing. Alright, so now that we have our filling mixed together, we're going to take our muffin tin and we're going to spray just a little bit of Pam in each of these. This is where the wontons are going to get baked. And also, in speaking of baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So here we have the wonton wrappers, as you can see. And we are going to take maybe a teaspoon or so, maybe a little bit more. We're going to place it right in the middle. Next we're going to take a little bit of water and we're going to wet 2 sides. This makes it stick together. So next we're going to take wonton and go like this, and we're going to seal it down like so, and then we're going to do a little fold like this, and then we're going to place 2 of these in each of the tins just like that. So we're going to do that until we use up the rest of our filling, and then this will go in the oven at 375 degrees. Alright, so here's all the wontons wrapped up, stuck in the pan. Now it's going to go in the oven at 375 degrees, like I said, for 15 to 20 minutes or until the wontons are crispy. So we'll see in a little bit. So here's our homemade wontons. Just came out of the oven. They're crispy and delicious. So hope you enjoy this. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.